So welcome back to the channel. We are back with how to make grids in Revit modeling. That is, we many times here we use grids for our making plans and sections. So in also in Revit we can make grids and make our models. So we have a option in architecture, that is datum. So in that option we have this option of grid, right? So just click on that option of grid, and a new tab will open for placing grids, right? So here you have to select the first option, that is the line grid. And just as we learned in the last video, that is how to make walls and in our Revit model. So we have the same procedure here, that is select this line, click in between these four dots in your canvas, that just click, drag as long as you want for your modeling. That is that you have a first grid line here, it is written 1, see. So, what will we do if we want a grid pattern, like a grid of around 3 to 3, 4, 4 cross 4 or 5 cross 5, anything, right? So, for that, we'll make an offset, that is, suppose I want a grid of 2 meters each. So, I'll have 2000, that is 2000 mm of grid. After if you select the number of grid lines you want, then you need to select this option with the green arrow, that is pick lines. So from that, click on the grid that you drew and just toggle on the grid, and you will find this option that you want to go to left or you want to go to right. So let's go with right. So I'll just click a simple left click, again toggle, click, again toggle, click, toggle, click. So we are getting grid lines, that is 2 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters. So this is just vertical grids that we have. Now what we are going to do with if we want a grid pattern, right? So again select the line option here, and the same procedure, that click and drag the grid here and just drop it wherever you want. Now we are going to do the same with the horizontal grids, that pick lines option, just select it and toggle select. You can see the light blue reference grid line that shows here in Revit, that the the way you want to go in the grids, like I want to go upwards in the grids. So the Revit canvas, you can see the light blue reference line. So you just need to click, toggle click, toggle click, toggle click, toggle click, toggle click, toggle click. So as you can see, we have 2 by 2 grids here, very well set, and this we are going to use to make our model, that we'll use it by making walls, of course. So if you want to see how to make walls in Revit, go back to my last video, that is how to make walls in Revit modeling. So here we need to select the option, that is wall, just click on it. As you would have learned in my last video, that you have many options here to make the wall. So we'll go with the same standard 200 wall. So I want uh, a room plan to be in this grids, right? So now the in the last video we were typing our measurements in that we need 4000 or we need 5000, whatever we want. So here we have grids, right? So now we don't need to type, and we'll know the measurements that we are doing with our modeling of our room. So just click make a wall. I need a 4000 wall, so I have two grids of 2 meters, that makes up 4000 so I just click, and the wall is made on the grid. Then I want a vertical wall which is 6000 mm. Then I go here, then again go here with 6000, then again go upwards with 6000, then I go horizontal around 8300 also. It's not that you just need to follow the grids that you have made. You can also make the walls by typing the specific number that you have or you have planned for your house or your room plans. Like I want around 6700, so just type 6700 in it, press enter, and you have the wall of 6700. See, it is not following the grid, the 6700 wall. The same way I'll go downwards if I want around, let's say, a odd number, 7745 wall, right? So just enter and we have that wall here. Then I'll go again to the left and make the wall in the grid. So here the grid line will highlight with the reference line, as we learned in my last video of making walls. So here the grid line is highlighted. So just click on it and you will get a wall there. Then when the square appears, just click on it and your walls will merge and finishes would be applied. So in the same way, the grids does not restrict you for making any wall in angle like around 45 or 50-degree angle or whatever you want. Like just click and then I want a 50-degree wall from the 0 degree, like so I'll just click on the wall, then I'll drag. So I want till here, so I'll just drag and take it till there. Then again I want a 45-degree wall from this angle, that is here, and I'll go right there. Then I want a straight line, right? Again I'll click and make a straight line of 4000. Then I need a there is a odd number of wall that we want, that is 4456. Then just type it and press enter, and you have made the wall. Again go straight, we have the reference line highlighted and the grid line as well. So that, and we got the square and our enclosed planned room is over. So Revit generates the model on its own. So the room plans you made, you can see that in your 3D view, that is up here, the default 3D view that you have here, the house symbol. Just click on it and a 3D view of your model that you have made with the walls will appear here, right? So just drag and see that is it visually the same that you thought of, and the modeling is done just that easy in Revit just by making plans. I hope you find the video meaningful and helpful. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, subscribe. Cliche lines again. Thank you.